Want to learn more about the ab machines at Planet Fitness? In this video, I describe each of the machines, the specific muscles they work, and demonstrate how to use them. Let's get started. Lying Abdominal Crunch Machine. The Lying Abdominal Crunch Machine consists of footrests, padding for you to rest the entire backside of your body, handles to hold onto, and a weight stack. This machine also targets the abdominal muscles. To use it, first select a weight from the stack. Then place your feet on either the upper or lower footrests, whichever is most comfortable. Make sure your head is on the headrest, then grab the handles. Exhale, engage your abdominal muscles and bring your shoulders towards your knees. Inhale and return to starting position. Repeat this movement for the desired number of reps and sets and adjust the weight as needed. Abdominal Crunch Machine. The Abdominal Crunch Machine consists of a seat with padded backrests, elbow pads, overhead handles, and a weight stack. This machine isolates and targets the abdominals. To use the machine, select a weight from the stack. Adjust the seat height so you can comfortably reach for the handles and rest your elbows on the pads. Exhale and focus on squeezing your abdominal muscles as you bring your shoulders towards your knees. Inhale and return to starting position. Repeat this movement for the desired number of reps and sets and adjust the weight as needed. Abdominal Crunch Machine, 30-minute express workout variation. There's another abdominal crunch machine in the Planet Fitness 30-minute express workout room, and if you want to learn more about what that room is, go ahead and check out the video in the top right corner. This yellow machine works just like the abdominal crunch machine we just went over. However, the handles are a little interesting. As opposed to traditional handles, the ones here are these rubber noodles. To use the machine, select a weight from the stack. Place your feet on the footrests. Wrap the noodle handles around your shoulders so there's one resting over each side of your chest. Exhale, engage your abs and bring your shoulders towards your knees. Inhale and return to starting position. Repeat this movement for the desired number of reps and sets and adjust the weight as needed. Abdominal Crunch Machine with front handles. There's another abdominal crunch machine, but with handles in front of you that you push to activate your abs. This machine consists of front handles, a seat with padding for your lower back, a footrest, and a weight stack. To use the machine, adjust the footrests so there's a slight bend in your knees and you're comfortable. Take a seat, grab onto the handles, and rest your lower back on the pad. Exhale, squeeze your abs, and push the handles straight as far as you can while seated. Inhale and return to starting position. Repeat this movement for the desired number of reps and sets and adjust the weight as needed. MTS Abdominal Crunch Machine. There's an MTS Abdominal Crunch Machine, and it differs from other MTS machines I've covered in other videos. MTS stands for Motion Technology Selectorized, which is common in many hammer strength machines. Other MTS machines usually have dual weight stacks, but that's not the case with the MTS Abdominal Crunch Machine. Also, this machine is unique and different from the first Abdominal Crunch Machine I covered in that the legs here are able to move. This allows for better activation of the lower abdominal region. This machine consists of a seat, padding for your legs, lower and upper back, handles, and a weight stack. To use the machine, select a weight from the stack. Adjust the seat height to a position where you can comfortably reach for the handles. Exhale, engage your abs, and bring your shoulders towards your knees while simultaneously raising your knees towards your shoulders. Inhale and return to starting position. Repeat this movement for the desired number of reps and sets and adjust the weight as needed. Abs Bench Machine. The abs bench machine will have you in a lying position and activates both your upper and lower abdominal regions. You'll be able to target just your lower abs, just your upper abs, or both at the same time. The machine consists of padding for your legs and entire backside of your body, 2 sets of handles, and weights pegged for your legs and upper body. To use the machine, first stack on weight plates if desired. Take a seat and place your feet between the roller pads and lay back on the padding. If you want to work on your lower abs, grab onto the front handles for support. Exhale, engage your abs, and bring your knees towards your upper body. Inhale and return to starting position. If you just want to work on your upper abs, grab onto the front or overhead handles. Exhale and bring your shoulders towards your lower body. Inhale and return to starting position. To do a double crunch, targeting both your upper and lower abs at the same time, perform both movements together. Torso Rotation Machine. The Torso Rotation Machine consists of a seat for your knees that swivels, padding to keep your chest in place, handles, and a weight stack. This machine targets the abdominals and obliques. To use the machine, select a weight from the stack. There's a handle for the seat that allows you to adjust and focus on the left or right side of your body. Just lift the handle and point the seat left or right. The seat locks into place when it reaches the furthest point at each side. There are arrows and text indicating which direction you face when you get onto the machine. You'll need to work out both sides to make sure your body is balanced, so select either one to start. After you've set up the seat, adjust the height of the chest pads so they're right in front of your chest comfortably. Grab onto the handles. If your knees are facing right, exhale and rotate your body to the left. If your knees are facing left, exhale and rotate your body to the right. Inhale and return to starting position. Once you've completed your desired number of reps and sets on one side, adjust the seat position so it faces the other way and repeat the setup. Ab Coaster Machine. The Ab Coaster Machine consists of padding for your arms, handles, and a seat for your knees that swings forward and back with a peg to hold weight plates. The seat itself can also be angled left or right to work out the obliques. To use the machine, add on weight plates if desired. Getting onto the machine can be tricky since the seat is always in a swinging motion. So first grab onto the handles and rest your elbows in the pads to keep yourself steady. Then place your knees on the seat, expecting there to be some swinging motion. Your bottom should be facing towards your heels. When you're ready to work your abdominals, exhale, engage your abs, and lift your knees forward. Inhale and return to starting position. Repeat this movement for the desired number of reps and sets, and adjust the weight plates as needed. If you want to work more of your obliques, use your knees and hips to rotate the seat left or right. Exhale and lift your knees forward. Then inhale and return to starting position. Switch seat direction to ensure you activate both sides. Decline incline bench with targets. The decline incline bench is simply a padded bench that supports your back at an angle. It also consists of padding for your feet and a handle. This particular bench features targets, which you can use as visual aids to support you in your workout. Most commonly, you'll see people sitting in a decline position where the feet are higher than the body. But you can also use the handle so you can lay on the machine in an incline position. Weights are optional, but you can include them to add more resistance to your workout. To use this bench in a decline position, use the handle for support and place your legs between the roller pads. Lay down and rest your back on the pad. Here, you can perform bodyweight decline sit-ups by holding your hands across your chest, exhaling, squeezing your abs, and bringing your elbows towards your knees. You can also perform decline crunches by placing your hands on your head and only raising your head and shoulders above the bench. Grabbing a weight and using the targets can also add in some oblique activation. Russian twists, in which you sit at an angle and twist your body side to side, are another exercise option for your obliques. To use this bench in an incline position, lay back on it with your head on the same side as the handle, and hold onto the handle for support. You can perform a hanging leg raise from this position by exhaling, engaging your abs, and lifting your legs straight in front of you. An easier version of this exercise are hanging knee raises. Hanging leg raise machine. Leg raises can also be performed on the hanging leg raise machine, also known as a captain's chair. This machine consists of steps for you to climb onto, 2 pairs of handles, elbow pads, and a back support pad. As the name suggests, you can perform hanging leg raises here, which target your abdominals, especially your lower ab region. An easier version of this exercise is the hanging knee raise. You can also use the front handles to perform dips to activate your triceps. And if you want to learn more about other arm machines at Planet Fitness, check out the video in the top right corner. Anyways, to perform hanging knee raises, use the steps to climb and reach for the handles that are pointed upwards. Rest your elbows and back on the support pads. Let your legs hang. Exhale, engage your abs and bend your knees while bringing them towards your chest. Inhale and return to starting position, straightening your legs. To make this bodyweight exercise more challenging, you can perform hanging leg raises. Here, instead of bending your knees, you'll raise your legs straight in front of you. Repeat these movements for the desired number of reps and sets. Now that you know all about Planet Fitness's ab machines, check out my other Planet Fitness equipment demonstrations here. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.